Hello everybody, my name is Lindsay. Before starting my presentation, I'd like you to join my small quiz. Who is the inventor of light bulb? Great job! It's Thomas Edison. Who is the inventor of telephone? Well done. It's Alexander Graham Bell. Who is the inventor of radio? A+ is Marie Curie. Who is the inventor of batteries? Excellent! E. Alessandro Volta. Today is my great honor to be here to talk about two Wright brothers, inventors of airplane. You know, almost all the inventors are scientists, but two Wright brothers are not scientists. In fact, neither Orville and Wilbur Wright finishes high school. The brothers start up printing press and bicycle shop. Wilbur reads a report about a glider. He dreams of making the perfect glider. The Wright flyer breaks down, but the brothers don't give up. On December 17, 1903, the Wright flyer successfully flies at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.